Very cooling, really good to put on the back of your neck when you go outside and it's hot out. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do a doTERRA unboxing for July. And I'm really excited because, as you know, this is like Christmas in a box if you've watched my other videos. And that's because there's a lot of great goodness that comes with the doTERRA LRP, which stands for the Loyalty Rewards Program. And it's the best way to maintain a lifestyle of wellness. That's right. With everything going on out there, doTERRA had to ship me 2 different packages for the same doTERRA LRP, and that's okay because I get to open up 2 boxes, which is fun. Okay, so we're going to do the first one here. Boom. Ah! All right, and it is the doTERRA OnGuard Cleaner, which is good for your, that's right, for cleaning, all-purpose cleaner. You got your dishes, toilets, and sinks, and even your floors. And less is more with this stuff, let me tell you, okay? So this is a really good cleaner, and it takes care of those bad guys on surfaces. I love to use this as a natural cleaner, and so definitely a must-have. And then now for my doTERRA LRP box, which is right here. I'm just going to open it up. Boom! That's right. Okay, so lots of good stuff that I needed this month. We're going to start off with a couple goodies. We got the Deep Blue right here. This is Deep Blue Rub. It supports your muscles and your joints whenever they're feeling tight and tense to help you move quicker and better. And it has a nice aroma to it. It's got wintergreen, it's got peppermint, it's got some other really awesome oils in there. Helichrysum, okay, blue tansy. Oh yeah, I've done videos on this, so make sure to check that out. And it's in a nice convenient lotion format, so it's easy to apply. Back of your neck, thighs, arms, other places that get tight or tense is a good place to put that. Next, we have the OnGuard Toothpaste right here. This is a whitening formula which has essential oils in it, which is awesome to support your oral health, your throat health, and your immune system, which is most important. And so this is a really good natural toothpaste that you can use. And if you need an extra support, you can put a drop of the OnGuard oil onto your toothbrush, and I like to use an electric toothbrush to really polish my teeth a lot better. And then a little pea-sized amount of this toothpaste on there, and your mouth will feel fresh and awesome and tingly. And maybe do that once a week or whenever you feel, but daily might be a little too much. All right. Next, we're going to go into some of the oils that I really missed. Okay, so there's some, I think there's some like dust or wood particles here on these, but it's okay because we will dust them off. These are the fractionated coconut oils that doTERRA has, non-greasy, no smell, made for topical use to moisturize your skin and reduce the chance of sensitivity of the essential oils when applying topically. So how do I use this? Right after my shower or in the morning after I wash my face to moisturize my skin, and then I put some essential oils on there as a part of my facial regimen, and this reduces the chance of irritation. Again, there's no smell, and this is just for topical use, so on your skin. And it's non-greasy. I just want to add that as well because it absorbs just really quickly and really good. It's very smooth oil. Love this, and I miss this. And I'm going to use these. That's why I got 4 of them this month. There you go. Next, let's see what we have. Okay, so these are some interesting biodegradable containers. Instead of the bubble wrap, I kind of like this. It protects the oils, but yet it's a little bit more sustainable. So I'm feeling this. I am feeling this. And it does leave like a little bit of dust, like wood particle or cardboard or whatever, paper particles on it. That's not a big deal though. That's not a big deal. It's all natural. There you go. That's all that matters. Okay, so what we got here is a couple lemons, because I was needing some citrus support. This is good for supporting your immune system, uplifting, as well as detoxification. And if you go outside, make sure to use sun protection, natural sun protection. Typically a carrier oil first and then something. But yeah, you don't want to use this and then go right into the sunlight. This is more for like with doTERRA internal use or supporting a detox regimen or even cleaning your hands or surfaces, or I put them in my green smoothies as well. So I primarily use this for internal use, not for topical outside use. If I do use it on my skin, like I just make sure it's fully absorbed onto my face and wherever I'm putting it, and then I don't go into the sun and I don't stay in the sun. Okay, so that's important. It causes photosensitivity, that's why. Citrus oils. All right, next is Breathe. An amazing oil during these times when you need to support your immune system. And this has a number of oils that support your immune system, such as laurel leaf, eucalyptus, You got peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, Ravintsara, and Ravinsara. Helps you breathe topically. I have more details on this oil in an individual video as well, but you can check that out. Just type in on YouTube search like Lance McGowan and then doTERRA Breathe, and you should be able to find any oil by typing in my first and last name and then whatever product you're wanting to learn more about. We're going to keep going. The sustainable packaging continues. Wow, all right. So, got another Breathe. I'm telling you, I'm stocking up. I'm stocking up. Lemon, got another lemon. Lime, okay, so I like to put lemon and lime oil in glass containers. That's the other thing about citrus oils. You want to use glass or stainless steel or ceramic mugs. No plastics because they can leach out those chemicals over time of those petrochemicals. And no styrofoam. So none of those. Just glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers with the citrus oils. Lemon and lime, 1 drop per 4 ounces. So if it's a 16-ounce bottle, a glass bottle, like I use old kombucha bottles, then I'll put, you know, like maybe a drop or 2 of the lime and a drop or 2 of the lemon in there, some apple cider vinegar. I have some organic plant-based trace minerals, and then I use reverse osmosis water. And so it's amazing. Supports your immune system tremendously and tastes great, and is 0 calorie, no sugar. There you go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Boom. Next we have Fennel. Fennel, product of the month. Loving it. Tastes like black licorice. Supports your digestion. I know in Indian restaurants they typically give these in the seed format to kind of cleanse your palate and freshen your breath and support your digestion. But yeah, it's sweet without having sugar and calories, and it's kind of like the candy of doTERRA. Cassia or Kasha is another one. That one's a little bit more, you know, it's got a little more kick to it. This one's just kind of like, whoa, strong like black licorice. I mean, black licorice comes from fennel and anise, so this is kind of going straight to the source. And then we have lavender. This is a part of my skincare routine. So I use lavender, lemon, peppermint, and tea tree primarily for my skin after I apply the fractionated coconut oil right here. So this is first, and then I put on those 4 oils, just a drop each, in the morning and at night, and that supports my skin health. And it helps my skin look nice and smooth and clear. And that's what I need the most. But lavender is good for calming, soothing, relaxation. Topically, it's amazing. Putting in a diffuser is great too. So, love lavender. Let's keep going. I got a lot of oils. I used some points this month too. I had a lot of free product points to use, and you can check that out in the description below, which products I got for free and which one I paid for, so you can kind of get an idea of the value I get each month. So that's kind of another way to get that. Okay, we'll put that off to the side. We have Tangerine. I was on a citrus kick because I was like, I'm going to get a lot of oils for free this month. And it is, I got a decent amount of stuff for free. So I believe it was over $200 worth of stuff. So I splurged on oils because I love citrus oils. And again, I like putting in my green smoothies, my waters, remember glass or stainless steel, ceramic containers. And yeah, on my hands to clean them and to breathe in. There you go. And for those of you that have a mask, you can put a drop of the essential oil. Specifically, you know, citrus oils one's good. Especially if it's a nice reusable mask, but you know, put it in there and then you get to breathe that oil while you're protecting yourself if that's what you want to do. Or if you're a no mask person, then supporting your immune system would be important. And if you got something, then staying home would be the other thing. But we're not going to get into all that. We're just going to get into how the oils are awesome and how they can support you. But that's kind of how I do things when I'm out and about. And then we have peppermint. There we go. Breathing it in is great. It's very good for digestion, alertness, focus, head tension, supports your mind. There you go. It's part of one of the oils that I use as a part of my skincare regimen, and it's cooling, very cooling, really good to put on the back of your neck when you go outside and it's hot out. Yes, this. All right, got some other items here. They're out of Terrazyme this month, which is the digestive enzymes. I'm really sad about that, and so I just had to stock up on oils. But the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which I'm overstocked on, that's why I don't have any on this month, has some enzymes in it and a couple of those supplements, so I'm good. And enzymes just help you break down fats, carbs, sugar, protein, all those good stuff. So, all right, so I got another Tangerine. Totally, I'm going all out this month. I got a lot of products for free. And again, I'll have which ones I got for free and which one I paid for in the description below here. Lavender again, which I covered. Peppermint again, which I covered. And then the last oil in here is lime, which I covered as well. So what's the next steps after I've unboxed everything? Well, it's basically just, you know, everything has a place, and it's important for everything to be in its place, and that's where I'm going to put the oils to make sure that I use them and remind myself to use them and prep anything that needs to be used. So a lot of it is just having safety stock or stock on hand, so when I run out of something I can just kind of grab and go. But the goal of the whole doTERRA LRP or Loyalty Rewards program is so that you don't get ready, but you stay ready, so that when something pops up, you have a natural solutions within arm's reach. You don't have to panic and, you know, run around like a chicken with your head cut off. Or if you want to support yourself and your other people in your family, then it's really easy to do so when you have it within literally arm's reach. And that's why I got a lot of the basic ones, or some of the most popular ones, that support my health, support my immune system, support my mind and my mood and my digestion, so many areas that I've benefited from since I started doTERRA in November of 2013. So it's been a while, but it's been a great while, and I love, love, love the products, and I'm glad to have them in my life to improve my quality of life. Speaking of supporting your immune system, you can eliminate harmful microorganisms with UV technology. UV light with ozone can take care of microscopic threats and purify the air, providing a healthier living environment for you and your family. To learn more, visit uvcanada.ca, where they stock and ship from Canada, and U.S. customers can save when shopping in Canadian money. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And if there's any product that you learned about today and would like to learn more, make sure to just, again, YouTube search Lance McGowan and then that product's name, and I should pop up, and then you can get your learn on that way. And I'll see you in the next video.